back to our video. You're not doing it?
Hi guys, we got another video. Oh, sorry mommy.
That's okay. And today we'll be making beef soup.
Beef soup. I like beef soup.
We're gonna make beef soup with chicken foot.
Yes, and your beef soup in a chicken foot.
With some chicken foot and
I'm a chicken foot.
some chicken foot and pigtail.
Pigtail? I like pigtail.
Okay, you know most Jamaican and Caribbean people on Sunday they make soup. It's a traditional thing, so today we're gonna show you how we make full beef soup right now. So what we have here is a pound of salt beef and pound of pigtail. Pigtail. And pound of pigtail.
Yeah.
And this is about 8 chicken foot.
Chicken foot?
Or maybe 10.
10?
And now we have an onion, turnip, Irish, garlic, pumpkin flavor mix,
Yeah.
hot noodle, top soup,
What?
pimento, sweet potato, celery, Scotch bonnet pepper, and some Escallion. And I have yellow yam also. I have some already peeled yellow yam to add to it. So that will be it. That will be all I'm using for now. I'll tell you if I add anything more. But this is what I'm gonna use for now. This is what I'll be using with the beef and the chicken foot and the pigtail. So what I'm gonna do now is just cut up the beef to a size that is edible. Or a size that is presentable. You know? You can't cook the beef too big in the pot. You cannot mince up the beef too much either. So this size is good enough. So after we do this, we're gonna just put it back in some water. And we'll cut up our pigtail. Jesus. We're gonna cut off our chicken foot toes. You never ever wanna cook this with toes on it. With the toenail up on them. Cut off the toenail. Just cut them off just like that. If something under the butter, we'll cut them off. Put that from under the butter. cut them them up now. We wash them. You wash them, you wash them, you wash them, you wash them. So washing them, the next step is you wash your meat. Always wash your meat with vinegar, lime, and running water. Yeah. So we're washing them now. So we wash them. Before I put the meat to boil, the chicken foot and the pigtail and the salt beef, we had 3 pegs of garlic. We had 3 pegs of garlic and some pimento seed, crushed pimento seed. So now we're gonna add the meat. So we're adding the meat for them to boil. Because their meat are tough body, and them chicken foot are tough. So we're putting everything to boil in there. Put the stove on high. So now we're gonna cut up our pumpkin with my lovely sous chef Maria. So I'm gonna give you a piece to cut. I'm gonna give you a piece to cut with this knife. Please don't judge me. This won't hurt her. So I'm gonna give you a tiny piece to cut. You're gonna cut this piece and I'll cut these. And I cut these, you cut those. So, you want to cut up the pumpkin. Some people take off this, but I don't because there are nutrients in it. I don't want to cut off those. I make my soup with these in it. So it's your choice. I don't take off mine.
Cut it off mine. I can't cut it.
Take your time and cut it. Take your time. Alright, see a tiny one here? Let me put this one. Put that tiny one. Yeah, take your time. Can you cut it? Take your time. No rush. Yeah, see, get in there. Yay! Cut up this, and after we cut these up, we're gonna cut our carrots. I forgot to mention the carrots earlier. Oh yes, we're adding carrots. I love carrots. No rush. When you're cooking, you don't need to rush, okay? We're cooking with love and happiness.
This one.
Yes, you're doing it. It's going. It's cutting. It's going down. Just take your time. As if I give you this big knife, you're gonna hurt yourself, and then I'm gonna get in trouble. Okay? Don't want that. So, cutting and cutting.
Go. Yeah. I need to tell you, Mommy. I give my big girl too, Mommy.
I'm a big girl.
Yeah.
We're gonna cut up our celery. Let me remember you guys again, it's a bread knife. winning. Why are you doing it?
Mommy. Yeah.
Not cutting? I'm gonna help you. Stop complaining. I'm gonna help.
Yeah, I'm using the big one. I'm using the tiny one.
I'm gonna help you, okay? I have to use the big one because I don't want it to get cut. Crunchy? What? Now we're gonna cut our onions. There's no special way to do this. Just cut them up and put them in the bowl. When you're ready to put them in the pot. Take your time.
Mommy, yeah, I did it.
Yeah.
No more. Not more.
Yeah, just take your time. Yeah, take your time. Do it.
Come on, yeah.
Want to help you? Hold my hand. Hold my hand. 1,
2.
take your time, take your time, take your time. Now cut this, cut this and cut 4.
No.
You put them in. Nice.
We done on the bowl, Mommy.
Now we're gonna peel our Irish.
Mommy,
I have to peel it first and then you cut it. No, not yet. Not yet. Don't cut it yet. Let's peel it and then you cut. No, these are not good. These are skin to be thrown away. We're gonna cut this. After I take up the brown one, the brown side, this, we're gonna cut them up too. Alright? You have to cut it up now. Cut that one up. Take your time.
keep that.
Cut this one. You cut that one and I'll cut this one. I'm gonna cut it in two for you.
No.
Wait. Be careful. Here. That one. Look what I'm doing. Look what I'm doing.
Mommy, I'm not looking for you.
You're not looking for me? You're doing your own thing. Oh my. I thought you want me to teach you. You know more than me. You know how to cook. You might know how to cook. You know that's right?
Mommy, I'm cooking for you. No.
Oh, you would like to be silent? Let me put bonnet pepper. We're not gonna cut this up. We're just gonna put it on. So we'll put that there. And it's sweet pepper. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. So I'm gonna peel this one too.
Mommy,
Let me peel it and I get to cut it.
Squishy.
No. Put that in. Put this here. It's gonna burn. Put it down. And these are the yellow yam. Yellow yam. Now we're gonna add our pumpkin.
Hi.
And we're gonna add this. All of it.
Oil pumpkin.
See, instantly the color change. Instantly. Instantly the color come from 0 to 100 real quick. With this. I make myself grace. I forgot to do was to boil the pigtail before. I didn't remember. Because if you boil the pigtail and don't boil out the salt, the food is gonna get real salty, so you have to boil out the pigtail around 2 to 3 times. I'm gonna add back the pigtail. That it's not salty anymore.
It's not salty anymore.
Now we're gonna add all of this.
Wow. I want this cow.
Now we're gonna add all of this.
Cow.
Oh, to 15 minutes. Now we're gonna add some cock noodle. Now we're gonna add this. A Caribbean favorite cock flavor soup mix with natural and artificial flavor. I love to use the pumpkin and the cock noodle together. Now I'm gonna make the dumplings to put in. It's not ready to put the dumpling, but I'm gonna prep it now. I'm gonna make the dumplings for the soup, and this is 2 cups of flour. And you could just put any amount you want, to depends on how much flour you want. So it's about 2 to 3 cups of flour. Now you're gonna make it. So there it is. So we're gonna leave this. So we'll make this and leave this to put down until we're ready to put them in the pot. You make them in the meantime that things easier for you. So you make it now. So later when you're ready, you know it's the right time to put them in the pot. But you just make this now and wait. And that's it. Now we're gonna make the flour down. Now we're gonna make the dumpling then. We're gonna make some spinners. gonna make these, then we're gonna make a regular dumpling. I'm gonna make about 10 of these ones. Nothing hard, all you do is this. All you're doing is this, and you put them in the pot. So we're gonna make the regular type now. And all you're doing is this, folding in, folding in, then you go around and round and round, round and round and round, then you go like this, and then press it down, press it down. And I'd advise you not to make them for soup that big. You make them. I add all of the dumpling in there. So now I'm gonna leave it for 15 minutes and maybe less. And then we're gonna serve up. It's almost done. It's almost done, guys. Now we're gonna share some for Maya to taste. Okay, she like chicken foot, so I'm gonna taste it and tell you guys how it tastes. Come now. How it tastes? Tell me.
Yummy.
Hold your head up.
Yummy.
Why are you hiding?
Yummy.
Taste yummy? You like it? Come again. Taste one. Taste one more.
Oh, chicken.
One chicken. Wanna taste the chicken now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want chicken.
Alright.
This is a big chicken. It's like a talk.
Is it good chicken?
Yeah, it is chicken talkie.